First of all, we have to update our Instagram app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. And if you see any update available, must update the Instagram app. Now go ahead and open your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon. And here select Reel and enable multi-selection option. Now go ahead and select multiple photos from your gallery, just like so. 8, 9, 10. And now to add more than 10 photos, continue to select your photos. So here's I've selected 30 images and then I'm clicking on next. And now if you want, you can add. And then here we can see the Reel video. Now if you want, you can add music from here, you can add text, you can add effect from here. Now go ahead and publish the Reel video. And that's it. This is how we can make a reel with more than 10 photos in Instagram.